Hey there mga my love Sagittarius! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So yan na bago natin simulan ang reading ninyo for December 2023 going to 2024. Yan, no, reminders at advice muna tayo na hindi po all of you ay makaka-resonate. Kaya naman, piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading nito ay para sa'yo, then this reading might really for you. And syempre, wala tayong gender here, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. Kaya naman, without further ado, let's begin and let's see what we have here for you guys. So, let's check out messages, okay, coming from your spirits and angel guides. Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being here with us. Messages for Sagittarius for the month of December 2023 going to January onwards of 2024. Can you please show us? Mga babes, it's time for you to detach, no? Okay. If this is you na meron ka pa ritong attachment, okay, spiritually or energetically, no, iniisip mo pa rin yung person na nag-betrayed sa'yo, it's time for you to detach. Yes. It's time for you to finally walk away. So, spirits are saying that you need to, see, betrayal is here. Okay? You need to realize that there's something more, far better from that situation, no? Or from that person. Use that experience as a part of your, okay, healing and growth. Yan, mga babes, no? So, ibig sabihin, your spirits and angel guides right here wants you to drop, release right here, ano man yung mga parang nararamdaman mo pa, no? Something negative, no? About your past. Pwedeng iniisip mo pa rin yung ex mo, no? And ikaw to, na kailangan mo na yan i-release, whatever is that. Okay, alam mo naman yan, no? You already know yourself. Yes, no? So, you need to detach if that is you. Because why? There are lots of exciting things, okay, na paparating sa inyo. Diba? Oh, and if you want love, oh, eto oh, someone here is coming your way. Diba? At hindi lang yan basta mag-o-offer ng cup. Look at that. That Knight of Cups, at in gender, no, is appearing here as the 9 of Cups energy. Wish being fulfilled. Yan. So, tama ng mga luha para sa wala mong kwentang ex. Tama na pagbibigay ng atensyon sa anumang may kinalaman sa nakaraan, oras na para ikaw ay lumabas dyan. Maraming exciting things, no? At isa na rin ang love life mo dyan. See? O, yung worth the marriage. Yung papakasalan at hindi ka nang basta jojowain. Yan, no? Yung hindi ka lang basta pakakasalan, no? Kundi may forever. Oh. At sinasabi sa akin dito na baka makilala mo siya, no, with someone here. Oh, kunin natin to na may napahalo dito eh. Look at that. We have here this, oh. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Ibang deck na pala ang ating sinashuffle pero nandito ito. First and foremost na strongest energy is the Four of Wands. Support system. Okay? Someone here is entering your life to give you that support. Someone new that will eventually stay forever with you. Sa iba, doesn't have to be a love and romantic relationship, especially kung nasa buhay mo na, no? Maaring ito ay isang significant na individual for others of you or character na papasok sa buhay mo, no, na magtutulong sa'yo, no, na makamtan mo rito yung mga bagay na gusto mo ritong makamtan. Success sa kung ano yung gusto mo ritong ma-achieve. Diba? Bongga. Pero sa iba, love life yan. Okay. Let's go, Sagittarius. Ilatag na muna natin lahat. I love this one. Manifestation. See, there are lots of blessings coming in. December going to 2024 right here. Manifestation yan, no? Nakasuporta sa'yo rito, but you need to walk away. See? Told ya. You need to walk away from whatever it is, no? Oo, naging valuable sa'yo yan. Oo, may sentimental value sa'yo yan. Pwedeng yung iba, trabaho yan. Pwedeng hindi rin naman yan tao, no? Pero kung ano yan, unhealthy yan. You need to get out from that. You need to release from that. Sagittarius, no? At saka hindi ko alam kung ba't ko nakukuha rito, no, yung meron dito na parang nagbibigay ng so much or too much na emotions and feelings, no? Na alam naman niyang hindi yun marireciprocate pero tuloy pa rin. Yan, no? Alam mo, i-save mo yan, no? Save your love for someone here, no? Na worth it na pagbigyan at pag-alayan yan. Okay? Diba? Di talaga magmamatch yung energy niyo ng tao na yan kasi siya yung klase ng tao rito na kung naiisip mo na hindi niya reciprocate yun, hindi mo lang yan naiisip kundi yun talaga yung nararamdaman mo. Your intuition is telling you that that person will never reciprocate at kung sino yun, hindi nagmamatch yung energy niyo. So, ibig sabihin, toxic siya or there's something negative about that person or pwede rin naman na super sure siya no sa kanya ritong mga gusto rin sa kanyang life, which is if that person do not likes you, then napaka-sure niya about that. Pwede rin ganun. Okay? So, just take how this resonates with you guys. Okay? See? Kailangan mo umalis at mag-invest rito, no? Sa talagang worth it, something stable, something grounded na pag-investan. Yan. Okay? See? Katap. Happy happy family, no? Happy home. Someone here who could be on the public eye or very beautiful or very handsome here na meron ditong magandang, nakukuha ko, no, may looks talaga siya. Okay? So, this could be someone here, no, na may dating or ma-appeal. Okay? Whoever this individual is, I think this is someone here, yan, no, napapasok pa lang sa buhay mo. That person is embodying that kind of energy na napaka-light. So, that person could be spiritual or baka nanonood rin siya ng tarot readings just like you. Pero kung sino man siya, kahit hindi siya nanonood ng tarot readings right here, I think this person, ang kanya ritong work has something to do with communication. Gamit na gamit yung boses niya rito. So, pwedeng siya ay public speaker. Pwede rin naman na meron rin siyang social media accounts na pwedeng yung work niya may kinalaman dun sa pakikipag-communicate. Like, pwedeng lagi siyang nasa meetings palagi. Pwede rin naman na office work yun, pero alam mo yun, parang siya yung spokesperson, ganyan, no? Whatever the case may be, this person here, nakikita ko na ang daming tao rito, no, na nakakakilala sa kanya. Doesn't have to be the whole wild world, no? Pero nakikita ko rito na kung sino yung tinitingnan mo, na super attracted ka sa kanya right here. Like, to the point na this person here, ito kung wala pa to sa buhay ninyo, maa-attract ka sa kanya rito. Okay? Mangyayari lamang yan kapag nag-detach ka na doon sa unhealthy na energy na sinasabi ko, if that is you. Okay? Kasi kung niisip mo pa siya, whether galit ka sa kanya, no, yun pa rin yun. Okay? Kasi naman yung toxic na yun, no? Kailangan mo na siyang bitiwan. Okay? Galit ka sa kanya, pero kailangan mo pa rin na alisin yung galit na yun. Kasi kailangan mo na magsimula with the full right here. Start a new life together with that strong foundation. Someone here is coming in to help you, to support you all the way. Okay? To that success. No? Something stable, something grounded. No? Yung iba, business partner tong darating sa inyo. No? Makakatulong at makakaagapay. Hindi to man lalamang sa'yo. No? Yung iba, no, romantic relationship yung hinahanap ninyo, this person here is coming in and I'm getting that this is some kind of someone from a distance, no, like literal na magkaiba yung tinubuan ninyong lupa, no, galing siya sa malayo here and whoever this individual is, no, nakakita ko rito na galing rin siya sa isang pamilya kung saan may pagmamahalan, no, meron silang matibay na pundasyon, no, ng pagmamahalan doon, okay? Doesn't have to be mga babes, no, na malaki yung family nila, no, or whatever, or or broken family sila or what, no? Pero alin man dun, kahit na yung iba galing sila sa broken family, hindi ko sila nakitang naapektuhan dito. Okay? Hindi sila yung klase ng individual dito na nagpapaapekto sa paligid nila. No? Oo, dumadaan yung mga pagsubok at problema, pero this type of energy na papasok sa buhay mo, no, or sa buhay nyo, collective, is someone here, no, na natutunan rito na i-manage yung buhay niya dahil sa mga naging experience niya sa life. Kung galing man siya sa isang broken family, it doesn't mean na hindi siya naniniwala sa marriage, or it doesn't mean na magiging broken din ang family niya. No, it's not. This is someone who's mature. This is someone here who will give you that happy family in there. This is someone here that you've manifesting here. So, nakikita ko na paparating siya rito, but you need to walk out. Okay? Kasi yung iba parang dadalawang isip pa kayo. Yung iba kasi kahit galit kayo sa ex nyo, may parte pa rin dyan sa puso mo na sana kumontak siya rito or whatever. You need to let go. Yung iba naman, miss yan, hindi ko naman na mahal yan, pero nihintay ko siya mag-sorry. You need to let go. Okay? Hindi mo na kailangan yung sorry niya rito, mahal. Okay? You need to move forward now. Ano man yung attachment na meron ka sa kanya. Yung sorry na yan, okay? Hanggat inaasahan mo yan ngayon, it will never come. If this is your reading, detach, Sagittarius. The moment you detach from that apology that you've been waiting for, okay, yan ang mag-chase sa'yo. You will hear that, but not now. Okay? Maririnig mo yan pag hindi mo na yan kailangan. Kasi yung energy mo is nandoon pa sa, kailangan ko yung sorry niya para makapagsimula na ako ulit. No, hindi mo kailangan yung sorry niya. Hindi mo siya kailangan. Okay? You can start now. You can start now. I'm seeing a lot of exciting things for you. I'm seeing a lot of beautiful things coming to you. Huh? You have stability in here. I'm seeing business right here. Mas kailangan ka ng business na ito. Yung iba, ayaw niya na magtrabaho kasi gusto niya magtayo ng business, like you are the boss in your own business. Hindi niyo kailangan kumuha ng what's this, utos ng iba or ng head or whatever. You are the boss in your own company. Yes, you can have that. And that is one of the things na nakikita ko for you guys once you detach. You will own your own business here and you're gonna own your whole world. Like your salary here depends on what you will work, no? Isip mo, decision mo, kasi ikaw yung may-ari niyan eh. Maybe this is you, ayaw mo na mag-work, okay, sa isang company, no? Kasi gusto mo yung sa'yo naman, yung matatawag mo sa'yo, no? So whatever the case may be, isa lang yun sa mga nakikita ko dito sa Sagittarius na paparating sa'yo, worth investing. Diba? So, yung nakita ko dito. Okay, lapag pa nga natin lahat. The Tower is here together with the Four of Pentacles. See, the Devil is right here. Could be seeing a lot of 444, angel number 444, or number 4s right here. Yeah, exactly. Wish fulfillment it is. Nine of Cups once again. Diba? Nakita natin itong Nine of Cups kanina. Okay? So, nakikita ko rito na pwedeng ginost kayo ng tao na yan. No? Pwedeng minamanifest nyo yung pag-sorry nyo sa inyo rito. No? Pero hindi mo alam kung darating pa ba yun. No? Darating yun, mahal. No? Pero hindi pa nga lang ngayon. Kasi kung ikaw to nakapit ka dun sa parang hihingi siya ng sorry sa'yo. Tapos, pag humingi siya ng sorry sa'yo, saka ka magsisimula. Diba? Then, that sorry will not come now. Hayaan mo na siya. Hayaan mo na siya. Mag-work ka rito sa sarili mo. Ayan o, ayaw kong ma-miss mo tong opportunity na to. Ayaw mo ba nito? Nakaupo ka rito o. Sa isang Four of Pentacles energy, no? Napakalaki na chest of gold ang inuupuan mo dyan. Nagkalat pa yung mga gintong barya. So, ibig sabihin, no, magaganda yung mga nakaabang ng mga opportunities, lalo na sa pera mo, mga mahal, no? Love life, andyan, ayan, no? Okay? And this will all happen unexpectedly. Like, once you detach, no, like, wala kang talagang pakialam sa kahit na anong nangyari sa'yo in the past or sa kahit na sino mang nanakit sa'yo in the past, no, you will see it. The opportunities will come bombarding here, no, like, they're gonna flood here. Yun ang nakuha ko rito, eh. Nagsiksikan na sila, eh. Alam mo yung parang naipon na sila, no, na parang ready na sila mag-stampede dito, no? Like, this is a big money here. And this is all about your 2024 for you guys. Your wish is about to happen. There is a wish na magagrant dito, especially when it comes to money. Diba? So, whatever it is, okay, this is your truth. Kaya lang ang bagal mo with the Six of Swords energy right here. No? Dito ko sinasermonan, mahal, no? Siyempre, gusto ko ma-receive mo to, no? Ayaw mo ba ng pera? Kasi dito sa nakikita ko, may nagbabalak ritong bumili ng property. Baka pambi-business mo yan or baka yan yung bahay na gusto mong bilhin para matawag mong inyo. Lalo na kung lagi kayo nangungupahan or wala kayong permanenteng home or address dito, no? I'm seeing you having that home. Yes. And you can be able to choose kung saan mo gustong tumira, sa lokasyon. Like literally, boom. Money is not a problem in 2024. But money is being hung up, diba? Being blocked because of that pain, anger that you're feeling. You know, judgment is right here. The universe is calling your wish to happen. There's happening. Okay, behind the scenes for you guys, in the background, Sagittarius. Look at that, the star. Ayun, no, may nagtuturutot na rito sa universe so para tawagin yung wish mo rito. Okay? Kailangan mo ng mga babes, no, with the devil right here, yan, no, yung unhealthy attachment. Okay? That apology is coming, nakikita ko. But not now. Okay? Not now. It might happen, yes, possibly, after 6 months. Okay? After 6 months or half of the year ng 2024, but not now. Okay? But that's also for few of you guys. Okay? But money will eventually starts happening now, tomorrow, or maybe the other day. It will come in fast. Opportunities will show up in front of you through social medias na tinitingnan mo, no? Pinapasahan mo rito ng mga work or whatever, no? Or business related man yan. You might miss this. At ayokong ma-miss mo yun. It's true. Lagi na naman alam mo nakuha ko rito, no? Parang lagi naman ganyan sinasabi sa mga tarot readings, eh. Mag-detach, yan, no? Wala rin naman nangyayari. Wala talagang mangyayari kung ganyan yung mindset. At wala talagang mangyayari kung hindi mo naman sinubukan na gawin yung mag-detach. Kasi alam mo, kapag hindi healthy yung kinakapitan mo, hindi healthy yung energy na nandiyan ka, naiinip ka, naiinis ka, nagagalit ka, ang mga tawag dyan ay negative na emosyon. Pagkalungkot, pagkayamot, pagka-boring, lahat yan. Ayan ang naa-attract mo. Dahil ayan ang energy mo ngayon. Change your mindset to positive. Everything will fall into place. Money, 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 money that you want is here. Ikaw lang ang makakapagtanggal ng harang na yan. Okay? Ikaw lang. Yung nakukuha natin dito. Okay? Don't miss this chance in here. Take action, Knight of Swords energy. Okay? You need to let go. You need to take your blindfolds off here. See? Celebration, another Four of Wands energy. You will really celebrate right here together with your genuine people. That love life that you want, mamamanifest yan because you are the magician. Okay? Alam mo, nakakita ko ng birthday party. So nakikita ko, no? Doesn't have to be na may mag-birthday or may pupuntahan kayong birthday party, but could be, kaya natin na-mention. Pero ang mas nakukuha ko doon, di ba? Kapag kami children's party, ano yung present? Clown. Yung clown ba kapag ka nasa harapan, malungkot, 'di ba hindi? Nakangiti, tapos jolly, no? Funny, para madala yung mga bata, no? Para maging happy yung mga bata, 'di ba? So, ganun yung mga babes, no? Kasi kung ang clown dun sa harap ay malungkot, mag-iiyakan yung mga bata. Okay. Mayayamot pa yan at baka pagbato-batuhin pa yung mga clown, no, ng mga confetti doon. So, whatever the case may be, okay, change your energy for you to be able to manifest this money. Money is really, really good. Kita ko rito ng fried chicken, yung malaki, so baka favorite nyo yun. Yan mga babes, no? Pero nakikita ko na makakain mo rito yung ano mang gusto mong kainin without even thinking of the value or the price or the cost, I must say, of that food. Gusto mo kumain sa restaurant ng mas madalas, go ahead because you have this big money. I don't know where will you gonna get that, but okay. This is all about here, that luck, L-U-C-K, na naging stagnant dito just because of you staying in this type of energy na puro lang naman ganyan lahat ng mga tarot readers eh. Laging sinasabing ganito, hindi naman ako talaga umuusad sa buhay ko. Exactly. I can easily tell, and we tarot readers can easily tell why kung bakit hindi mo nakukuha yung gusto mo, because you are in that kind of negative energy. Change your energy for you to be able to see these opportunities. Kasi ako nakikita ko ang dami mong dala, ang dami mong pinamili, at lahat yun masaya ka. Hindi ko sinasabing materialistic ka or greedy ka, pero yan yung mga bagay, no, na alam kong gusto mong gawin para sa sarili mo. Ipamili yung sarili mo, ibigay yung pangangailangan groceries ng pamilya mo at kung ano-ano pa rito, no, because you have that money and money isn't a problem. Okay? Money isn't a problem in 2024, Saji. You just need to let go. Just need to let go. Okay? And yeah. Right. Itong mga mensaheng nakuha natin for you, Saji. Yan, no. Alam ko, parang naging sermon tong reading. Pero kasi, I want you to experience, no? Hirap naman lagi ka nakabusangot, mahal, lalo na kung ang ganda mo, 'di ba? Ang ganda ng face mo, no? Babae, lalaki, and LGBT, 'di ba? Araw-araw nakabusangot ka, araw-araw negative emotions and feelings ka. Gusto kita makaalis diyan para makuha mo tong pera na 'to, no? Like literally, money isn't a problem. I'm telling you, money isn't a problem. Okay? So thank you so much. Sarang love and life. 안녕.